This is an interesting little kit that I found on eBay. It's the Little Boy Atomic Bomb. It's a full metal kit in 1/12 scale. I have no idea of the brand name. It's in Chinese. But just looking up Little Boy on eBay, you should be able to find it. It's one of a number of kits from the same brand, I guess. Also available is the Big Boy Atomic Bomb and a Soviet nuclear warhead, which looks kind of fascinating, like it's from a James Bond movie. It wasn't that difficult to assemble. It assembles with nuts and bolts and with super glue. But the nuts and bolts are fidgety with my big hands. I had quite a bit of trouble sometimes, and to watch them go skittering across the hardwood floor. Luckily, I was able to find the majority of them. It wasn't an inexpensive kit, so I'm not sure whether I will get the other two kits down the road. But it was kind of fun to build, and I would recommend it if you want a piece of history. Not a very accurate kit. The wires and such are rather thick, but you know, it is just a fascinating little build. Thankfully, it doesn't work.